Kia ora te whānau, no mai hoki mai. Be a bull, but don't be a fool. Yes, we are seeing excitement in the market. And yes, there will be some massive opportunities. And yes, there will be millionaires made. The media is just starting to ramp things up. This means more retail coming into the space. This also means more scammers will be rampant. If your mental game is not in tune, you will get scorched. If your security game is not on point, those millions will turn into pennies very fast. I developed the Vault in 2023 to solve two major issues in crypto: losing your seed phrases, your private keys, passphrases, or PIN numbers because you didn't back them up well enough, or getting scammed from airdrops, phishing links, or social engineering. The Vault not only allows you to back up your seed phrases, passphrases, and any sensitive data in plain sight, but also eliminates the need to remember anything, and educate and allows you to create your own security mindset protocol. So you'll be ready for anything the crypto space throws at you. If you want to know more, you can scan this. There'll be a link in the description and as a pinned comment. If you don't have a security mindset protocol in place, you better get busy. Catch you in the next video. Kia kaha. Stay strong.